Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make public profile on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Then tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down through this page. At the bottom of the page, you will see Public Profile. Tap on it. Then tap on Continue and again tap on it. This means that whatever you post on Snapchat will be visible to everyone, and also you can also delete this public profile whenever you want. Now tap on Create. Thus your public profile is created. Here you can see your Snapchat name, followers, insights, spotlights, and preview. Now you can also upload your cover photo. Once you tap on this photo icon, it will take you to your photo gallery. Choose a photo from here. Adjust it. Now I am going to add a story. Tap on the camera. I will take a photo. Then I will add a sticker to this photo. Now when I tap on this arrow, it says whether you want to post it as your story or post it as my public story. Tap on the public story. After posting it, go to your public profile, and here you will see who reached your profile, views on a story, and so on. Now when you tap on Edit, you can change your profile picture and also add a bio to your account. This is how you can create Snapchat public profile. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.